Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. It's a tough market out there. A lot of whipsaw going on there, up and down. We want to talk about the different options, and I just want to highlight to you that looking at the bigger picture, despite the rally today, not much has happened. It remains the mantra. Yeah, it's the same thing every time. What we need to see to confirm a low is in is we need to see 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need to see not only 5 waves up, I need to see 3 waves down as well. A, B, C. So we haven't even got the 5 waves up. And at the moment we haven't even made higher highs. So all we've done so far is we've rallied. No, we didn't rally. We broke into support, bounced off support here close to the 50% retracement level. And we're basically where we were on Monday. So nothing happened literally, If you looked at the chart Monday and came back today, it's the same price. Okay, so we're just ranging still. There is no reliable bottom signal in place. The situation here is unfortunately that Ethereum hasn't made a low below the 12th of May low. I wanted to see that. Bitcoin did it. Therefore, Bitcoin's context would make me, or would provide more than Ethereum, let's say the context for the correction is over and we could rally now finally in the third wave, which would go to the upside. Yeah, but Ethereum, I still have problems to I can't see it in the chart. Now that context can always develop, but I can always only analyze what I see, and I don't see any context that would give me confidence to say that a low has already been made. It could have been made, but then it would be some kind of a weird truncation. Yeah, truncation means that it actually should have gone lower, but it didn't because we had some upside pressure. So we'll see. I mean, there are different wave counts. Just want to show you a few. One count is still that this is this is the WXY that you know already about. So wave W, wave X, wave Y, we're basically in the Y wave, and we have an A wave, we have a B wave and the C wave. This is still the count, and it could, if it turns around to the downside now, then we just have here the C wave as an ending diagonal and nothing would have changed. This would be the easiest count, but it would literally need to turn around now. Another count which would lead to the same result would be to understand the B wave as a triangle, and it would top here. It's also possible. We would then say we had an A wave. Let me think actually. No, it would be A wave up in a triangle, B wave down, C wave up, D wave down, E wave up. And then we have a triangle complete, and it would break down. So this is a possibility, but if it breaks above Monday's high, or rather above 1926, then this alternate circle B comes into play. What does it mean? It just means that this B wave, which I'm actually counting currently as complete on the 28th of May high, will just reset a little bit higher, and we would then break out a little bit of the range because we had resistance here, 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 here. So it's not one particular price level, but it's around the 1925, 1930 level. It's important structural resistance. We had resistance here, 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 and we're nearly there again. So this is an important level, not only from a Fibonacci point of view, but it's just important structural resistance, and a break above it would send us, in my opinion, first to 1965. This little swing high, and then possibly all the way up to $2,000. But until I see a clear 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down, I assume that this is just a B wave, and we rather just got a larger bounce, which should result in one more low. Yeah, that's the situation, which doesn't mean the low couldn't be in. I've said it so many times, and people sometimes don't want to hear it. I don't know, but we had 3 waves down already into support. This is the area in which the wave 2 can be finished. It was reached already twice. So yeah, from that point of view, you can say at any time it can suddenly rally. Yeah, that's how markets work. Embrace probabilities or stop trading. I've said it many times. There are no certainties in these markets, only probabilities. For me, probabilities still suggest that we should get another low. But let's be honest, even if probabilities to the downside, and there is no such thing as giving you probabilities numbers like 70%, that's just made up. If anybody gives you these, be careful. But even if I told you, look, 70% probabilities we go down lower, which is absolute ridiculous in a correction, because things can turn around all the time in a correction. Yeah, you know that if you've been watching my videos. It's not like we are in an impulse, we're in a correction overall. But even if I gave you that, I mean, 30% probability into the other direction is still pretty high, right? And yeah, just be aware of that and just make your plan accordingly. Okay, just make sure that you understand that at least my view is that we're in an overall uptrend, and this is simply a pullback in a larger uptrend. So whenever this is complete, we should turn around and rally higher. So a lot of people still bearish in the markets out there. I'm actually quite bullish, at least as long as Ethereum is holding 1534. Yeah, short term, I think the correction isn't complete, but bear in mind, we're in an overall bullish scenario. That's at least how I see it. Okay, yeah, and that's so far my view on Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.